tossing around the idea for a new business venture for the last few months, and we've made the decision to finally give it the go-ahead. So we need to do some brainstorming. So we've known Brian and Leonie for over 15 years, both personally and business, and so we got them over for the weekend. Thought that'd be a great way to toss the ideas that we have, get some of their ideas. Brian's been doing website design now for quite a while, and both him and Leonie do lots of courses to keep up with the latest technology, etc. So, you know, we were able to toss all these ideas, and they were able to give us the negatives for some of the ideas that we had, and give us better ideas and better ways to do things, you know, for our upcoming business. We recognised that we needed to outsource the opportunity to give us better direction, and we've been able to recognise that this weekend, and we're now on the right track. Brian and Leonie are both extremely professional and totally experienced in what they're doing, and it's been invaluable the amount of knowledge that they've imparted to us this weekend. They know what they're doing really, really well, and we couldn't recommend them more highly for anyone out there looking to start up a new business, or who needs direction in their current business, wanting to expand, or whichever way you want to go. So, you know, give them a call, and they'll help you in any way they can. And again, I'm Karen from Pearl Island Retreat on Fraser Island.